Welcome back, Crammers, to question 10. The diagram shows a kite drawn on a centimeter grid. On the centimeter grid below, draw a rectangle that has the same area as the kite. So we can see the kite is actually made of two triangles here. And we know that the area of a triangle is simply 1 over 2 times base times height. Now we can see that the triangle is reflected twice. So that means our final value is 2 times 1 over 2 times base times height. And the 2's cancel out. So all we have is base times height. We know the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. And the height is 1, 2. So that's 2. So that means our total area is 12. Now that we know the area of the kite, which is 12, we can then draw a rectangle that has the same area as the kite. We can simply draw this as 2 and 6. We can count all the squares to make sure this is correct. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And since the area of the kite is 12 and the area of the rectangle is 12, we are correct. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.